In this video, I'm going to show you how to play The Great Escape by Boys Like Girls, off of their eponymous album, Boys Like Girls. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Boys Like Girls was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at that intro riff. So that intro riff is the main riff of the song, and it'll sound like this. So it's just that part repeated over and over again. So what we're doing is we're starting 14th fret, 4th string, 16th fret, 3rd string, 17th fret, 2nd string. Okay, and we'll be arpeggiating these chords like this. So that's 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string. Okay, then we move first finger down a fret to 13. So we have this so far. Now we reach middle finger across to the 5th string, and here we'll be at 16th fret. So we'll only play through that once. So 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then immediately jump, 1st finger, 14th fret, 5th string. And then it repeats. So that guitar part will play by itself at the beginning of the song, and then you'll hear this guitar kick in. So while that main riff is still going, you'll hear this. So that's just a tremolo picking guitar, octave swiping, 12th fret, 5th string, and that'll include 14th fret, 3rd string. Okay, so 2 bars there, and then down to the 11th fret. At this point, we kick into the first verse. Now that guitar that was doing the octave swiping here will keep doing that throughout the verse. And the guitar that was playing the main riff will now move here and play tremolo octave picking on the 7th fret, 5th string. And that'll include 9th fret, 3rd string. So it's... Okay, so it's 4 full bars of that. The second half of that verse, the lead guitar goes back to playing the main riff. So that guitar was playing this, and then it'll come back up here and play the main riff for the rest of the verse. So it'll play through this several times. And the rhythm guitar, the guitar that was playing this, playing these octave swipes, it'll kick into the rhythm chords now. And the rhythm chords are just power chords, and it sounds like this. So again, that's just power chords, starting on the 4th fret, 5th string, straight 8th notes with the right hand, then down to the A power chord, so that's open 5th string, and the E power chord, open 6th string, and then 2nd fret, 5th string. And then the pre-chorus will just be one of those guitars playing this A suspended second chord, eighth notes with the right hand. And on the record, it has that telephone effect on it, so it sounds different, but that's all the chord is just this A suspended second. So it's like an A power chord, but we're letting the first and second strings ring out, open. So let's play through the whole lead part in the verse. So that lead part in the verse has come down here to play these octaves. Tremolo picking for 4 bars. And then it comes back up here to play the main riff. So we'll play that 4 more times. The full rhythm guitar part in the verse is this. So we're up here tremolo picking. And then we swipe the strings a couple of times, and then we kick into the chords. Into that pre-chorus chord, that A suspended second. And now we're into the chorus. The chorus is just these power chords. So that's the same chord structure we used in the rhythm verse part. We're just going through the chords quicker. So we're just 1 bar for each chord. So we're on 4th fret, 5th string power chord. And then open 5th string. And then open 6th string. And then 2nd fret, 5th string. Okay, right here, the 2 guitars will split off. The rhythm will play this. So that's just more power chords. 2nd fret, 6th string. And then 4th fret. Then 5th fret. And then it ends on the 7th fret. And the lead guitar will play this. So the lead part goes to this. So we're letting the 1st string ring open the whole time. We're playing 5th fret, 2nd string, then up to 9th fret, 2nd string. Still letting that 1st string ring open. Then 10th fret, and then 12th fret. So. And then we're back into the main riff. So back into this. Okay, and that other guitar is playing this over top, just like we did in the first verse. So you'll play a second verse and a second chorus exactly the same way as the first. And then we enter the bridge section. So the bridge sort of switches over to this quarter note pattern, but the rhythm guitar is just going to be strumming chords and letting them ring out. So, and again, we're just using power chords here, so it'll strum out 5th fret, 6th string power chord. Okay, and then we do this 7th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 6th string chord. And then 2nd fret, 6th string power chord. And then 2nd fret, 5th string power chord. Okay, so that's all the rhythm guitar is doing. Now, the lead guitar will be following that quarter note pattern. It'll be playing this. Okay, so it's just letting the first string ring open, playing 5th fret, 2nd string, just quarter notes. Then we go to 7th fret, 2nd string, then 9th fret, 2nd string, and then we go back into the 8th notes. So it's 12th fret, 10th fret, 9th fret, 7th fret. So altogether that lead part. Sounds kind of boring here, but this is all they're doing with the guitar. And then we kick into the solo section. The solo is going to be kind of dueling octave swiping guitars. So the main guitar here will play this. So again, that's just octave swipes. We're starting on the 11th fret, then down to 9 and 7. Then back up to 11, 12, and 14. So we have this. Then it repeats. And then at this point, we go up to 14. 14, 12, 11. So from the top so far, we have this. And then we start to repeat again. So we're on the 11th fret, we start to repeat. And this time we go 11, 9, 7, and 6 to finish that part off. So that whole lead guitar octave swiping part sounds like this. There is another octave swiping guitar part underneath that, and that part is just repeating this. It just repeats that part over and over again, so it's just 7, 6, and 2 on the 5th string. Coming out of that octave swiping part, you'll hear a clean guitar. So now we're in a kind of a slow section here, and the clean guitar is just strumming these chords. Okay, so that's the exact same chord structure that we've been using, but now we're letting the first and second string ring open on every chord. So we're starting 4th fret, 5th string power chord, let the 1st and 2nd string ring open. Okay, then we go to that A suspended 2nd. Then we go to an E major, an open E major chord. And then to the 2nd fret, 5th string power chord, let the 1st and 2nd string ring open. Okay, and then it repeats. Okay, on the very last strum here, the electric guitar with gain will come in and play this. It'll play a unison bend, open 1st string, 4th fret 2nd string, and we bend the 4th fret 2nd string up to sound like the 1st string open. And then finally, we kick into the last chorus. It's played the same way as the others. There's an extended chorus, so we'll play it twice. And the song ends on that main riff. Was The Great Escape the best emo song of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.